The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise County in north-central Texas, Denton County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Alvord to Boyd, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Lewisville, Flower Mound, Coppell, The Colony, Southlake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Sanger, Decatur, Bridgeport, Lake Lewisville, Briar, Little Elm and Prosper. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.